Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 152. This was the 29th of January 2023. It was a Sunday. Did my exercise, 45 minutes on the treadmill with the 5-minute jog. Worked on books, worked on two-step drop shipping, worked on the solar business, had a big call on Sunday regarding the solar business, and then did the Remote Wellness Academy. And then finally, I watched my Eagles beat the 49ers, and then I also watched the AFC Championship game as well. The Kansas City Chiefs versus the Cincinnati Bengals. So the Super Bowl in 2 weeks will be the Eagles and the Chiefs. And I hope I'm able to tell you 2 weeks from now that the Eagles won. Go Birds! But like a lot of people might be watching this from the future. I don't know if anybody will be watching this, but I am making these videos. I'm getting caught up. I was a couple videos behind because of reasons I said earlier, but I'm getting caught back up, and I'm committing to do these every day for the rest of my life, to make a video. And then I didn't also do the gratitude, so I am grateful for people in the medical fields, people in the medical industry, all the things that they do to protect us, medical researchers. This COVID thing seems to be going away, and there's a lot of doctors and people who really got together. So I don't know about the vaccines and all that, but everybody who's involved to try to keep us safe, I am very grateful for that. I'm very grateful that all healthcare workers for what they do. That's my gratitude for today. All right. Thanks for watching. I will talk to you again tomorrow. Thank you.